tell the madam that she's welcome to Ghana. We already welcome here to Ghana. She's an African and she have to come home, stay with her people.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
Hello, my dear friends, and welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time here, my name is G.P.G, and today we are back at Tema Committee 25, where we have Madam Fatima's projects upcoming. Today is a site visit where we have the architect, which is Nat, Brother Sami, who is the builder, the supplier, Mr. Kwete, and then we have Ni, who is the steel bender. They came to examine the land so that we know, how to position the house. Having all of them on board makes it easy to make that decision. So after the site visit, we came up with this concept, which is going to be having a home and then guest house, which is going to be by the side. The back of the house is going to be the entertainment place where we're going to have a swimming pool, a cabana, like a zen garden. And then we're going to have a farm, which will be later in the future when everything is done. She wants to grow her own vegetables and crops. So we made that provision as well. So the main concept here is having a home for the nuclear family and then having the guest house for extended families that will be visiting, or even for guests that will be sleeping over. This way you keep your privacy and you control the people that you want to come into your space or into your home. So this rough sketch gives us an idea how the house or the project will come up. You can see we have 4 people on the plot, and then we have the car also there, and you could see, how the position is. And that is very important during your construction. You have to go through this process. It's going to cost you a little bit of money to have people on site, but trust me, it will help you in positioning your house very well. So with a visit, we were able to capture the environment to know where the windows and where we want the doors and all the features in the house have to be. And lucky for her, most of the houses here are all single level. So she gets the advantage of, having a beautiful view over the whole community. So please do ask an architect to go check on your land before, putting up a drawing for you. So talking about architects, we have Nat, who is our architect here on the channel, and he came up with amazing design. So this is how the foundation footing is going to look like, and this is the ground floor plan. So we have a 1 bedroom down here with a lot of features which will go in later, I think, in my next episode. And then it's an open concept. We have 2 bedrooms upstairs, so making a total of 3 bedrooms. It's very spacious, as you can see, the ground floor, and all the rooms are also almost the same size, so it's very spacious project. I'll be sharing more into details with you guys, so just stay tuned. And if you want to see more, you go to Madam Fatima's playlist for latest update of this particular project. So talking about an update, I got this latest update from Nat, who is our architect here on the channel, and he is still busy with the work of this 6 apartment with a penthouse, making 7 in total. They are working on the landscaping, tiling the compound, and we have an update, so I'll bring that to you, which we'll be seeing later in this video. Some people also asked me that they wanted to see the finishing, they wanted to see the inside of this apartment. And I also have an update. I asked Nat to give me if he has, videos and pictures whilst they were constructing it, because we started this project, before the channel came about and everything. So I was like, I want to only share things that we started on this channel. That was my main focus, but people were interested. So this is the finishing of the inside of the apartment. And trust me, Gigo Production Group is solid. We have everything in here. When you work with us, from the digging of the trenches to handle over your keys to you, we will be there, to take you through the building process. Like I said, these guys have been building, especially I would say my contractor has been building more than 25 years. And the team, they have been building houses, before I met them and, starting a YouTube channel to promote their work. They were doing this for a long time. So it's not that they just started building 4 years ago when I started with my channel. No, they have been in the game for like a whole lot. They've built a lot of houses. But as I said, I want my channel to go through the building construction, process. I want the whole, YouTube thing to go through the phases. And my subscribers who has been with me for the past 4 years, getting to 5 years now, will know the process that we have gone through, all the way from foundation to the block work, and now most of our jobs now is on roofing. So it's about time, it's about patience, which I always preach here on my channel. We will go through all the phases, but I want the channel to also go through that phases. I just don't want to today show you a foundation and then tomorrow I'm showing you kitchen and I'm showing you something. No, I want us to go through all the process. So as we are going through these processes, I will be chipping in the artisans as we get along, and that is what I've been doing, with Bruno, with the metal works, with Segbedre, the window designer, and there are more guys behind. We have electrician, we have so many, we have the whole team. But I just, like I said, I want the channel to go through that process because I'm trying to tell a story in the future. So that's why I want the channel, to take its time and take us through the whole building process. And I know in the next 5 to 10 years, some of you will be saying, hey, this Gigo guy, I was watching him when he started with his first project from the foundation or from the roofing stage or from the painting phase. So let's go through this process together. You can subscribe to the channel to be part of this team. All I ask from you is to just give me a like, share to motivate a friend, and I will see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.